Hey, now when you stand next to it, it does look like a monster truck.
It does, man. Look at that. Look. What?
I want to see you try to get in it.
No, you should have him pose across the top.
He got up. Drop the coffee. Huh? I said, don't drop the coffee. Over there. So you hopped up in it, okay?
That's funny.
I'm glad I could be your entertainment for this morning. Yeah.
We really appreciate it.
Oh, you got him on video. Greg, look at these right here.
I'm still recording you. Alright, let's look at them. What's wrong with it? Let's document this.